This is the RapidFill Bagger, a sandbag filling machine built to take the place of hand shoveling. Here, a 4-person team shows how bag filling is done using the RapidFill Bagger. The challenge is simple but demanding. Bag 1 ton of sand into 50 individual bags in 3 minutes or less. That 3-minute mark matters because it represents a production pace of 1,000 bags per hour. Real, repeatable output that's typically only seen in much larger operations. RapidFill Bagger breaks sandbagging down into factory-style production. Material staging and dispensing, bag closing, and pallet stacking are all handled in line, creating a continuous workflow instead of a series of stop-and-start tasks. The result is a smooth, low-effort process that keeps people moving without wearing them down. RapidFill Bagger's compact size and straightforward design make this level of production more accessible than larger automated bagging equipment. It delivers professional-level output without the cost, complexity, or footprint of full industrial systems, making it well-suited for government municipalities, construction crews, and military operations. Starting with material, RapidFill Bagger accepts standard loader buckets, allowing fast, clean staging in the 1 cubic yard hopper. Agitation, internal flow control, and conveyor output keep material moving even when conditions aren't ideal, like with wet or sticky sand. The RapidFill Bagger runs on standard 120-volt power. The operator sets the dispense timer and pallet count at the control box, and the machine handles the rest, monitoring production, alerting when a pallet is complete, and recording both daily and lifetime output. To fill a bag, it's raised to the spout and the whisker switch starts the cycle. The RapidFill Bagger dispenses material for a set time, producing consistent fills. When bag size needs to change, that adjustment is made at the timer, and the machine continues dispensing to the new size, cycle after cycle. An optional bag closing system seals bags as they come off the spout. Filled bags move on to the lower conveyor, pass through an industrial sewing head, and exit closed into uniform, rectangular shapes that stack cleanly and handle consistently. Finished bags are palletized, wrapped, and prepared for transport or storage. What's shown here is the final stretch of the challenge. Bags filled, sealed, and stacked as part of one continuous operation. Challenge completed with time to spare. Over 1,000 bags per hour. To learn more about RapidFill Bagger, visit sandbagstore.com.